Done, rolling, Alexis.
You're gonna pick it up.
Just tickled it. Actually impossible.
Are you my friend?
Go for a quick fly. It was once white.
Help! A knife.
Good morning, everyone. We're back at the farm with our week off of work, which is so exciting. And I'm gonna be continuing doing some stuff. Craig is finishing up some little final touches on things, and I'm gonna be ripping up the carpet. I am so excited because this carpet is disgusting. This is the carpet that we have right now. Hold on, I had to turn on the light. Is that the light? Oh, we don't have a bulb up here.
You want a bulb?
No, it's okay. I'll just show them. So, ripping up this carpet here.
Beautiful thing, is it?
Glorious. It was
fashion.
It was once white. Just kidding, it wasn't really white. But it was probably, I don't know what.
It was brown. It's always been brown, but it's just, we've just trashed it with being a building site.
Yeah, so we get to rip that up today. Yay! It just tickled it. Help!
No, I'm cameraman now.
It needs a way out.
Yeah, you hold and I'll hug for you.
Okay.
Can we cut this big bit down for you?
Yes.
Done, rolling, Alexis, are you? Rolling. I'm doing it, so.
I'm gonna have to go step by step.
That's how to do it.
This is actually impossible. It's done. I did it. So there's our little landing and our beautiful stairs and the little lobby area where Craig is standing. It's all for you, the yucky carpet.
Rip all the carpet bars. I'll give you a pair of pliers to pull all the staples out.
Okay.
And then I think I like the wood.
I do too.
It just needs a good tight tart enough and made Donia again. Some TLC.
Well, before I do that, you think we deserve a tea break?
You do, Dusty.
We're gonna have a bit of a break, have a quick cup of tea and a biscuit maybe, and then get back to work.
Hey, what was the word I learned you for your tea break?
Oh, I don't remember. What was it?
Your fly.
Oh, my fly. We're gonna go for a quick fly. There's like a.
You know why it's called a fly?
Cause you're skiving. Skiving, that's another word.
A fly cup.
A fly cup or skiving. That means like when you're at work and you decide to take like a break, like a
cheeky 5 minutes.
Yeah, just like an unneeded break kind of thing.
I'm being fly here. I'm being fly. I'm being a bit of wee, a bit of woe.
Yeah, but I think this is gonna be a warranted thing because I'm actually sweating. Can you believe it? And it's like raining outside and I'm hot and sweaty. So, having a break. Get back to you.
Yeah, I forget a knife.
A knife?
Just cut the silage bale.
Good morning. We are about to go do something. I'm unsure of what. I think we're giving the beasts some silage. So yeah, but look at, we drove up this morning and they were all just sitting here, just like chilling in their little field. Look at how cute they are. What are we doing?
Feeding the beast in the Dutch barn.
Okay.
Here's a knife. So I'll tell you what I want you to do.
Okay.
It's the easiest way without making mess.
Okay.
I'll pick a bale up. I'll set the bale there.
Okay.
So what we'll do.
Okay, I'll wait here. Oh, I'm coming. Never mind. It's been raining, if you can tell. It's very muddy.
So I'm gonna pick this bale up. Let's see.
You're gonna pick it up.
Oh, the tractor.
Oh,
I'm strong, but
I was gonna say.
So when I pick a bale up, I want you to slice along the front and down both sides, and it'll unpeel. And I'll give you a hand to pick it up to throw it into the recycling bin.
Okay. So there they are eating it. That was so fun. Hello. Oh, hi. Are you my friend?
There you go, touch her. She really likes you sniffing.
No, she doesn't let me. Or are you my friend? I can't remember. Hello, that's Popeye, our bull. Hello, Popeye. Everyone's coming to say hello today. To make up for all the times the past couple weeks, nobody was saying, oh, someone's got some retorcejones. Hello. Can I pet you?
Just stand up. Stand the stone.
Oh, here we go. I'll stand up here. Whoop. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to startle. Okay, we're having a cup of tea. Bye-bye.
Okay, you guys, so it's a little bit later and I thought I'd show you the progress of what we've done in our utility room before ending the vlog. Okay, so we still have to put some ply here, but that's not super important. But we now have the cabinets in, so we have this big, nice, tall, long one. Tumble dryer goes there, washing machine's gonna go there, and we have a lovely sink. So I'm very excited about this. We had 2 plugs put in there because that's going to be very useful in here. And the next step is to plaster this wall, and we're just going to paint over this wallpaper. So we need to re-stick down some of the parts that are bubbling there and the parts that are bubbling along here. And then we plan to just stain block and paint over it all. So we'll be doing those parts there and the parts on the ceiling that need to be, you know, kind of touched up and stuff. So that'll be the next job. But I'm so happy with what we've gotten done this week. We did quite a bit of stuff upstairs. It's all cleaned and tidied up. As you would have seen, the bathroom is completely finished, so that's good. And yeah, we're getting along. Now that my visa is approved, we are starting our process of getting the last essential things done through here so we can move in. So yeah, I will be catching you guys up in the next video because I think this one's long enough now. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye.